Hey everybody, welcome to Flowers Between Friends. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Len Bush Roses.
And I'm Kristen Thomas, I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Bush, and happy Valentine's Week.
Yep, we're here to wish you a happy Valentine's Day and to continue on. You guys can do this. This is going to be an awesome Valentine's for us, right?
Absolutely. This is a great Valentine's. I mean, we're seeing it already,
Yes.
right? It's crazy, it's busy. As you can see, I
Yes.
mean, we've got all
Take
of our
a-
bouquet makers.
Yeah, take a
Like,
gander. It's
yeah.
so crazy
They're
down
like
here.
worker bees down here getting all the bouquets made. We're getting roses processed, and they're going to be going all week.
They are going strong, and remember, we are here to support you, that you can be successful, to get everything out the door to you. Our trucks are coming and going. We still got flowers coming in, and we've got everything from roses. So I'm dying to say it, but everything's coming up roses and then Bush Roses.
You kind of have to. You got to be a little corny for Valentine's Day, right?
Yes. So, and we have everything from bouquets
To roses.
vases of roses. So we want to make your job easier. Keep in contact with your salesperson, and we really do wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
yeah. We're here rooting for you, even though we're on the other side, but
We
we
are,
are,
we
yes.
are.
And for
And-
you consumers, don't forget your Valentine's,
Yeah.
whether that's a best friend or your loved one,
Yep.
whoever it is, make sure that they're remembered this week.
And order early, because your florists are so busy that don't wait till the nth hour, the last hour. Order now, give them a heads up so they can get flowers into their shops to do what it is you, the customer, need them to do.
Absolutely.
And
yes.
we would have sent everybody treats, you know, chocolates and wine, but Kristen ate the chocolates, I drank all the wine. Sorry.
You have to get your own from your Valentine. Have a great week, everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.